my friend of mine, that he said to me a couple of years ago. So I quit from my university. He quit from his study. Of course, I regret to hear that, because I was quite sad at that time. Because how could it happen? How could it possibly he wants to do this? Because he never thought what's gonna happen next. So all he thought is about the money. Because of money, not because of education. For me, having a lot of knowledge, money will follow you. That's my principle. I will not to doctrine you. So this is my my principles. So I'm not gonna say this is good, this is not. So that's why I really want to build one of the institutions in Sabah. So at least we try to collect, make them assemble in one place. Like we train them as a big good tour guides. Because as we know that Sabang is gonna be